Welcome back to Craft Drawer, crafters and Halloween lovers. Today we're taking a look at one of the most spooktacular plastic canvas kits you can stitch for Halloween. The Haunted Manor plastic canvas kit, and many others to make for you Halloween decorations. This big and bright haunted house stands 20 inches tall and is decked out with the cutest and creepiest details. You'll find swirling candies, ghoulish characters, bat-shaped buttons, a coffin door, a ghostly tree with lollipop leaves, and even a cemetery in the front yard. It's the ultimate Halloween showpiece to display at your spooky soiree or right on your mantle. The complete kit includes everything you need to bring this haunted house to life. 7 mesh plastic canvas, acrylic yarn and cotton floss, chenille stems, buttons and beads, needle and full instructions. All the spooky details are right here in the kit, so all you need to do is start stitching. But the fun doesn't stop there. If you're looking for even more Halloween stitching projects, you'll want to check out the Plastic Canvas Halloween Village kits. With 21 pieces in total, this haunted village is filled with charming details. The Cauldron Café, a potions shop, the Dead End Hotel, the town cemetery, and so much more. It's like creating your very own haunted town. And don't forget about all the other spooky plastic canvas kits available, like haunted house tissue box covers, spooky pals, treat baskets, wall hangings, and even ghostly window frames. These projects are perfect for adding a handmade touch to your Halloween decor. The tissue box covers vary in sizes, so you can decorate one for each room of your home. Hang up wall hangings on doors, walls, and windows, and create haunted houses for your Halloween village. Kits are a great way to make a plastic canvas project because they include the yarn, plastic canvas, pattern, and all the accessories needed to make the project. Be sure to check out what's included before purchasing your project. Check out all of these pattern kits in the link description below. Make them for decorations for you home, to give as gifts for Halloween fun and more. Plastic canvas is a great way to create beautiful Halloween decorations, tissue box covers, houses, and exciting items for the home. All of these Halloween plastic canvas kits are available through the links in the description below. So check them out and start crafting your own haunted Halloween world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more craft inspiration, and share it with your fellow Halloween lovers. Thanks for watching and happy haunting!